Have you ever wondered why, as an INTJ, certain relationships feel like an uphill battle while others are smooth sailing? Well, let's dive right in. Number 1. Unveiling the INTJ Relationship Secret. Ever thought your perfect match could be someone totally unexpected? Brace yourself. We're about to unravel the secret behind your ideal INTJ relationship. As an INTJ, your unique combination of traits can make the quest for compatibility a bit of a puzzle. But fear not. The truth is, your intellectual depth, creativity, and commitment to integrity can sync up brilliantly. With personalities that contrast your own in delightful ways. It's about finding someone who complements your strengths and balances your areas of growth. A person who sparks your curiosity, challenges your intellect, and appreciates your authenticity can truly be your best match. So, it's time to break away from assumptions, embrace the unexpected, and open your heart to the surprising possibilities in your journey to love. Now, doesn't that just add a thrilling twist to your love story? Number 2. The deepest desires of an INTJ in love. Can you guess what an INTJ woman truly craves in her partner? Let's dive deep into the desires that are closest to your heart. You're not just looking for romance. You crave a connection that stimulates your mind, resonates with your values, and encourages your personal growth. You long for a partner who appreciates your passion for ideas and respects your need for personal space. Communication is essential for you, and you seek a partner who isn't afraid to dive into deep, meaningful conversations. Embrace these desires, because they're key to your happiness. Recognize these needs in your search for love, and don't be afraid to express them. By doing so, you're not only setting a solid foundation for a relationship that satisfies your deepest desires, but also inviting a bond that truly appreciates the unique INTJ that you are. Remember, in the pursuit of love, your heartfelt desires are your guiding star. Number 3. Beginner's Guide. Understanding INTJ Relationship Dynamics. Feeling lost in the maze of INTJ relationships? We're about to chart a clear path that will make you a master navigator. As an INTJ, you're more inclined towards intellectual compatibility. So, seek partners who can stimulate your mind. Cherish those who value your ideas and encourage your independence. Your unique love language may not be constant affirmations. Instead, you express affection through actions, showing your reliability and commitment. Communicate this to your partner, make them understand your style. Be open to their love language too, adapt, and grow together. Be patient, remember, love isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Trust that each relationship or encounter is a learning opportunity, steering you closer to your ideal match. Stick to these basics, and the maze of INTJ relationships will start to look less daunting, and much more exciting. Number 4. Unveiling a new approach to INTJ relationships. Ever feel like traditional relationship advice just doesn't resonate with you as an INTJ? Let's break the mold with a fresh, effective strategy tailored just for you. Instead of the usual focus on grand romantic gestures, concentrate on intellectual and emotional compatibility. Value the mutual respect and understanding that creates a secure foundation. Search for a partner who respects your need for independence, and yet supports you in your ambitions. And here's a game changer: always keep communication channels open. As an INTJ, you prefer actions over words. However, expressing your feelings, your needs, and your appreciation for your partner, verbally, can work wonders. It adds a new layer of depth to your relationship. So, embrace this new approach. Because your journey towards your best match relationship as an INTJ is not just about finding love. It's about creating a connection that understands and appreciates the real you. Number 5. The current INTJ relationship trend you must know. Curious about how the world of INTJ relationships is evolving? Prepare for a thrilling ride into the latest trends that are reshaping the INTJ love landscape. A growing trend that's reshaping the love landscape is the focus on mental compatibility. Yes, for an INTJ like you, a partner who can match your intellectual curiosity is now considered a catch. Additionally, emotional intelligence is gaining prominence. The ability to empathize with your need for personal space and independent thinking is a prized trait. What's more, people are now appreciating the direct and honest communication style typical of an INTJ. Remember, These trends are not just passing fads, they're indicative of what truly makes a relationship work for you as an INTJ. So, align your quest for love with these trends, and watch as your relationship scenario gets a much-needed, refreshing upgrade. Welcome to the future of INTJ relationships. Number 6. Unraveling future INTJ relationship dynamics. Want to peek into the future of INTJ relationships? Let's fast forward together and unveil a surprising twist in the tale. As societies evolve, we'll see more acceptance of different love languages, like yours. You will find more people appreciating your unique qualities, your intellect, your sincerity, and your respect for individuality. In future relationships, there will be a deeper understanding of how INTJs love, not through constant verbal affirmations, but through actions that demonstrate reliability and care. It's predicted that in a society that's rapidly becoming digital, your love for clear and concise communication will be increasingly valued. Hold on to these insights as you navigate your path to love. In this exciting future, you are no longer an outlier, but a trendsetter. And in this future, your best match relationship becomes not just a possibility, but an exciting, achievable reality. Number 7. The expected timeline to find your INTJ best match. Do you ever wonder when you'll meet the one? Let's draw the map that leads to your destination and explore the timeline of your love journey. It's important to remember that finding the one is not a race. As an INTJ, you prioritize quality over quantity, and this applies to your relationships too. You need a partner who understands and appreciates your unique traits. Someone who can match your intellectual curiosity and respect your need for personal space. This search might take time, but trust that it's worth it. Instead of setting a rigid timeline, focus on personal growth and understanding what you truly need from a relationship. Be open to meeting new people and learning from each interaction. Take your time to understand and connect with potential partners on a deeper level. So, enjoy the journey, because your best match is not just a destination, but a journey of self-discovery. Number 8. Avoiding potential pitfalls in INTJ relationships. Ever feel like there are hidden traps in your love journey? Let's uncover the challenges in INTJ relationships and how to cleverly sidestep them. As an INTJ, you are honest, direct, and can spot insincerity a mile away. You may come across as aloof or uncaring to those who don't understand your unique style of showing affection. And at times, your need for personal space might be mistaken for disinterest. But don't let these challenges deter you. It's crucial to communicate your needs and love language to your partner clearly. Assure them that your need for personal space is not a rejection but a way you recharge. Show them that your honesty is a sign of respect, not indifference. Remember, awareness of these potential challenges is the first step to successfully navigating them. Keep going, because your best match understands and appreciates you, just the way you are. Number 9. Debunking common assumptions about INTJ love matches. Ever doubted the common myths about INTJ compatibility? We're about to burst some bubbles and unveil the real truth about INTJ love matches. As an INTJ, you have a deep desire for growth and knowledge. This can be an attractive trait in a relationship, as it signals a partner who is willing to evolve and improve. In a partner, look for similar traits: a desire for personal growth, a willingness to adapt, and an openness to change. This shared drive can form a powerful bond and a strong foundation for your relationship. So, turn your self-improvement quest into a shared journey with your partner. This could be the secret to finding and nurturing your best match. After all, a relationship that grows together, stays together. Number 10. Achieving your ultimate relationship goals as an INTJ. What's your ultimate relationship dream? Get ready to unlock the powerful insights that will bring your deepest desires to life. As an INTJ, this might feel like a daunting task. But remember, you're not looking for perfect, but for perfect for you. The qualities you need in a partner are unique. Someone who respects your need for independence, matches your intellectual curiosity, understands your unique way of showing affection, and shares your drive for self-improvement. It's not about grand gestures of romance, but about quiet understanding, mutual respect, and shared goals. Be patient, be authentic, and trust in the process. Because the love you're seeking is also seeking you. And when you find each other, it will be worth every step you took on this journey. This is your quest, and your best match is just around the corner. Check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.